Hi everyone, welcome to gospelpianochord.com. We're currently offering a 40% discount on our Pro products. Simply use the coupon code GEXPYT40 at checkout to claim your discount. Now, I'll show you how to purchase from our website. First, click the Products menu. After clicking the Products menu, you'll see our available chord applications, the upgraded version, LITE version, and Pro version. Now, I'll choose a product for our sample purchase. For this demonstration, I'll select the Pro version. For the payment method, you can choose PayPal, card, or Gcash. You'll see the Gcash payment option after clicking the Proceed Checkout button. It will appear below the forms that you need to fill out. However, for this demonstration, I'll use the coupon code I created for this product. As you can see, our coupon has been successfully applied. Now simply click the Proceed to Checkout button. Now simply fill out the form with your information, such as your name, username, and the other required details. Make sure to enter your correct email address because that's where we'll send the instructions on how to access the chord applications. For this demonstration, I created a dummy email address so we can test and see exactly what you'll receive in your own email, since you'll need to verify your account through your email address. After filling out your information, read our terms and conditions. If you agree, click the small white checkbox, then click the Place Order button. Oh, I forgot to fill in the city. Let's enter one and try again. Okay, let's click the Place Order button again. After that, you'll see your complete order details. Once you've reviewed them, go to the email account you used to register. Once you open your email account, you'll receive emails containing instructions on how to set up your account. In the account setup email, simply click the Set New Password link to create your password and set up your login account for the website. In the next email, you'll need to verify and activate your email address. Simply click the Confirmation link or the Confirm Email button. After clicking the Confirm Email button, you'll be redirected to the website, where you'll see a message confirming that your email address has been successfully verified. If you used a coupon code or Gcash as your payment method, please wait a few minutes while I review your order. For Gcash payments, I need to verify that your payment has been received. For coupon orders, I need to check who used the coupon code, since I often give these codes to selected followers. However, if you paid directly using a card or PayPal, you don't need to wait for manual verification because your order will be completed automatically. At this point, I've changed the order status to completed. Once your order has been completed, you'll receive another email containing your application token and instructions on how to set up the application on your devices. At this point, get the device where you want to install the application. Please take note. Only use the token after the application has been successfully installed on your device. Here, as you can see, simply click the Open Your App button. After clicking the Open Your App button, you'll be redirected to a page displaying a QR code. At this point, you'll need the mobile device or tablet where you want to install the application. Use that device to scan the QR code, and you'll be taken to the application page where you can install it. This is very important because each token can only be used once on one device. Install the application first, then paste and activate the token. To watch my other video on how to install the application on your device, simply click the Installation Guide menu on our website. If you have any questions, you can also use the chat icon on our website. Once I receive the notification, I'll respond to your questions about the application.